Hey there, tech fans. Rick here again from the OREI team with an overview of the UHD-FO10-KVM HDMI extension kit with KVM functionality. This product allows you to share all of your media content from one location with a second remote location up to 10 kilometers away over a single fiber channel connection. The product fully supports 4K ultra high definition media content at up to 60 frames per second and is both HDMI 2.0B as well as HDCP 2.2 compliant, which means it's plug and play compatible with a wide range of modern media equipment. It also features KVM functionality, which allows you to connect the keyboard and mouse up at the remote location to remotely control a computer at the primary location. And the transmitter features local loopback functionality, which allows you to continue to enjoy the content at the primary location while you're simultaneously sharing it with the remote location. And the receiver features audio extraction capabilities, where it can digitally separate the audio component from the media content and allows you to pass it along to a soundbar or home stereo at that remote location for that full theater experience. Now, as part of this overview, I'd like to start with a quick unboxing first, just to show you everything that's included with the kit. And then I'll take a closer look at the transmitter and receiver modules, and I'll explain the connections and indicators so you understand exactly how to use the product. I'll list the features and functions that this product provides, and then I'll come back and do a short demonstration to show you just how easy this product will be to use with your own equipment. So let's get started with the unboxing. When you first open up the box, you'll find a transmitter module and a receiver module. You'll find two 5-volt, 2-amp DC power supplies. You can plug this end of the power supply into any standard wall outlet. The other end of the cable has a barrel connection on it with a locking collar, which plugs directly into the back of both modules to provide all the power you'll need for operation. You'll find a USB cable you can use for connecting the transmitter module to your computer. You'll find a set of brackets, again, that you can use to mount these modules up off the ground and out of the way. And then finally, a full instruction manual is also included that lists connection diagrams, specifications, and a lot of other really good information about the product that you'll need to understand in order to use it correctly. Now, if you stay tuned next, I'll take a closer look at both modules. I'll list those features and functions, and then I'll come back and do that demonstration. The kit includes both a transmitter module and a receiver module, and both of these feature full metal enclosures, which make them incredibly durable and really helps to minimize outside interference from causing any issues with the electronics inside. Let's start with the transmitter module first. On either side of the cabinet, you'll find these ventilation slots that are really designed to let any heat that develops during operation escape and keep the electronics inside comfortable. You'll also find mounting holes on both sides that can be used with the included bracketing kit to mount the module up off the ground and out of the way. On the front of the transmitter, starting on the left, is a power indicator. When you add power to the module, it starts an internal power on self-test where it checks the electronics, and once it passes that test, it'll light the power LED, letting you know the module's ready to use. To the right of that is a link indicator. When you power up both modules and make the fiber channel connection between them, that fiber channel connection is checked, and once it's been verified, the link indicator will come on, letting you know you have a solid connection between the transmitter and receiver modules. To the right of that is an input indicator. When you connect the transmitter to your media source, the HDMI cable you've used has been checked as well, and once that's been verified, the input indicator will come on, again indicating a solid connection to the media device. To the right of that is an output indicator. The transmitter module provides local loopback functionality, which allows you to continue to enjoy the content here while you're simultaneously sharing it with the remote location. And to take advantage of that feature, you'll connect another HDMI cable to the rear of this unit to a local monitor to enjoy that content. Once you make that connection, that HDMI cable is also checked. Once it's been verified, the output indicator comes on. To the right of that is a service port. It's a USB-C port that's used for updating firmware on the module later on if needed. And to complete that upgrade, you'll simply connect this to a local computer and move that firmware file over to the module. On the rear of the transmitter, starting on the left, you'll find a fiber channel port. That's where one end of the fiber channel cable between the transmitter and receiver connects. To the right of that are two full-sized HDMI ports labeled input and output. The input port connects to your media device that you'd like to share the content from with your remote location. And the output HDMI port connects to a local monitor if you'd like to take advantage of the local loopback functionality so you can enjoy the content here at the primary site. This product provides KVM functionality as well, which allows you to easily connect the keyboard and mouse up at the remote location to remotely control a computer at this location. And you can use this USB port as well as the cable that's included with the kit to connect the local computer here at the transmitter. And finally, to the right of that is a DC input port, and that's used with one of the power supplies. You can simply plug that power supply into a standard wall outlet. The other end of the cable has a barrel connection on it with a locking collar that you can plug in here and then finger tighten that collar so it doesn't pop out. The receiver module is very similar. Again, full metal enclosure. On the front, you've got a power indicator, a link indicator, and an output indicator. Service port to the right, ventilation slots on both sides, as well as mounting holes for the bracketing kit. On the rear of the unit, starting on the left, you'll find another fiber channel port, and that's where the other end of the cable from the transmitter plugs in. A single HDMI port that connects to a local monitor so you can enjoy the content at that remote location. This product provides audio extraction capabilities as well, where it can digitally separate the audio component from the media content, and that allows you to pass that along to a soundbar or home stereo for that full theater experience. And that's what this 3.5mm audio out port is used for. That provides left and right audio output that you can connect to those media devices. To the right of that, you'll find two full-sized USB-A ports, and this is where you can connect the keyboard and mouse at the remote location if you'd like to control a computer at the primary location. And finally, to the right of that, another DC input port, and that's used with the second power supply at that remote location. Again, simply plug that into a standard wall outlet, plug the other end of the cable, which is a barrel connection, into that port, and finger tighten the collar so that you've got all the power you need for operation. The OREI UHD-FO10-KVM is compatible with most modern HDMI media sources, including security cameras, game consoles, media players like Apple TV, digital projectors, and streaming devices. The product's features include full support of 4K ultra-high definition media content. It offers 10 kilometers of extension distance between the primary and secondary locations. It is both HDMI 2.0B as well as HDCP 2.2 compliant. It provides KVM support for computer control and audio extraction at the remote location. Now I'll show you just how easy it'll be to use this product with your own equipment. And for this demonstration, over here I've set up a mini PC that's currently being displayed on this monitor, and that's the media content that I'd like to share with my remote location. Over here I've set up a second monitor, and this represents that remote location where I'd like to enjoy the content from the primary location. And these can be up to 10 kilometers apart. In front of me, I have the transmitter module and the receiver module. Now the first set of connections I'll make are to the transmitter, and I'll start by disconnecting the PC from the monitor and plugging that directly into the HDMI input port on the rear of the transmitter. And now I can add power. I've already plugged in the power supply. The other end of that cable has a barrel connection on it, which plugs directly into the DC input port on the rear of the unit. And now I'm ready to connect the receiver up at the remote location. I've already added a high-speed HDMI cable to the second monitor, and I'll plug that into the HDMI output port on the receiver, and I can add power there. I've got a second power supply plugged in at the remote location, and I'll plug that directly into the DC input port. Now, the minute I add power to both of these modules, they start an internal power on self-test where they're checking the electronics. The transmitter is also checking the resolution of my media content, and the receiver is checking the resolution of the monitor to make whatever adjustments are needed to give you the best possible picture. The only thing we're missing at this point is the fiber channel connection between the two locations. And I have a short fiber channel cable right here that I'd like to use. And I'll plug that into the receiver and the other end of it into the transmitter. And the minute I make this connection, both modules at this point start handshaking. They're negotiating the best possible resolution for the secondary monitor. And in a second, you'll see that content pop up over here. Now, the product also provides a few other features that I'd like to show you, and there's your content. So again, what you're looking at here is HDMI media content that started out over here, has been converted into a signal that can be sent over this fiber optic cable to the remote location and converted back into an HDMI signal for display in this monitor. Now, another nice feature this product provides is the local loopback functionality, which allows me to continue to enjoy the content at the primary location while I'm simultaneously sharing it with my remote location. And to take advantage of that, you'll need an additional HDMI cable, and you'll plug that into a local monitor at the primary location, and the other end of that cable into the HDMI output port on the transmitter. And what that'll do is renegotiate, and you'll see the image come up on both of these monitors. And that allows you to continue to enjoy the content here, again, while you're sharing it with your remote location. Another really nice feature is the KVM functionality, which allows you to connect the keyboard and mouse up at the remote location to remotely control the computer you have at the primary location. And to use that, you can use the included cable with the kit, and you'll plug one end of it, the USB-A end of it, into any open port on your computer, and the other end of it directly into the USB port on the back of the transmitter. And then you can connect the keyboard and mouse up at the remote location. I'm using a wireless mouse here, so I've got a dongle, and I'll plug that into one of the ports on the back of the unit. And watch this. You can see that I've got complete control over the mouse at both locations, so I can effectively remotely control the computer from that secondary site with a keyboard and mouse and enjoy the content from that computer, again, up to 10 kilometers away. And it really is just that easy to get it working. I hope you found this overview of the OREI UHD-FO10-KVM HDMI extension kit with KVM functionality helpful. This product provides an incredibly easy way for you to share all of your media content from one location with a second remote location up to 10 kilometers away over a single fiber channel cable. The product fully supports 4K ultra high definition media content at up to 60 frames per second and is both HDMI 2.0B as well as HDCP 2.2 compliant, which means it's plug and play compatible with a wide universe of media products. The unit also provides KVM functionality that allows you to connect the keyboard and mouse up at the remote location to remotely control the computer at the primary location. The transmitter features local loopback functionality, which allows you to continue to enjoy the media content at the primary location while you're simultaneously sharing it with your remote location. And the receiver features audio extraction capabilities that will separate the audio component from the media being displayed and allows you to pass that along to a soundbar or a home stereo for that full theater experience. Everything you need to get started is included with the kit, and with a few simple connections, you can be up and running in no time. So until next time, thanks again for watching.